In a quiet corner of a forgotten town, there stood a small shop, its windows glowing faintly with the light of 1,000 ticking clocks. Each clock whispered stories, not just of time, but of life, of laughter, loss, and the moments that slip between heartbeats. The old clockmaker worked alone. His hands were steady, though the world around him had grown fast and loud. People came and went, chasing seconds, but he remained, mending what time had worn away. He wasn't just fixing clocks, he was repairing memories, restoring rhythm to hearts that had forgotten how to hope. There was a kindness in the way he turned each tiny screw, a quiet patience in how he listened, as if each clock spoke a secret only he could understand. One evening, a young boy wandered into the shop, a broken pocket watch in his trembling hand. "It doesn't tick anymore," he whispered. The old man smiled. "Ah," he said softly, "it's just forgot how." Hours passed, and when the boy returned, the watch was alive again, its heartbeat steady and strong. "Remember," said the clockmaker, handing it back, "time doesn't stop when things break. It waits for someone brave enough to fix them." Years later, when the shop was gone and the clocks had fallen silent, the boy, now grown, still carried that watch. And whenever life grew heavy, he'd listen closely to the steady ticking that reminded him hope can be rebuilt and even time can heal. So when your days feel rushed and your dreams feel late, remember the old clockmaker. He never stopped believing that broken things still have purpose, and every second is a chance to begin again.